In this video, we're going to show you how to install the secondary frame lock, or that sliding part, or the ball, depending on what you want to call it. For this episode, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 2.5mm Allen, and a 7mm crescent wrench. Open up the frame so that it's about halfway open. It creates a nice little block or box shape, and it gives you access to all the parts of the frame lock that you'll need. To disassemble the secondary lock and remove it, you just need a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to put that screwdriver on the back end here on that Phillips screw, like this. And then you're going to get that 7mm wrench, and then there's a hex fitting for it right here, and you'll just hold it, and you just basically need to hold it while you turn the screw. And I'm just going to remove that screw, and do be careful because there's a little spring tension here, so it might, open up on you. Just like that. So now we've got the frame lock lever open. You'll see the spring has been exposed, and basically you just slide off the old one if it's damaged, broken, whatever, and slide the new one back on. When you do slide it on, it's only going to slide on one way. It won't work the other way. So if you slide it on and it gets stuck, turn that piece around and slide it on. It should also be covering the spring when you slide it on correctly. And then working backwards, we're just going to flip this part around. Now you notice there's some blue on the thread there. That's blue Loctite. You may want to reapply some of that blue Loctite. If you have any at home. You don't want to use the red one because the red one will be more of a permanent glue. All right, now that we've got the bar and the screw threaded together, we're just going to screw this in until it stops turning. There we go. The great thing about this particular installation of the secondary lock is you don't really need to adjust it because you're not taking the frame lock out of adjustment. So we've got the screw screwed in all the way, and then we're just going to open up the frame back to its original position, check it. Pretty good snap there. Make sure it slides easily, opens, great. Does its job, prevents me from opening the main frame lock, and that's it.